Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to raise your hand in Zoom during a meeting. So let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom app and join or start a new meeting. Once you are in, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. You'll see a button called React. Click on it. There you'll see an option called Raise Hand below the reaction. Click on it to raise your hand during the meeting. A small hand icon will appear on the screen as well as next to your name in the participants list. This indicates that you would like to speak or ask a question. You can also use a shortcut. Just press Alt plus Y on your keyboard and it will quickly raise or lower your hand. This is a faster way if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts during meetings. To lower your hand, simply click on Reactions again and select lower hand. You can also press Alt plus Y again to toggle it off. And that's it. Now you know how to raise your hand in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.